Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is how I do 2 space buns with curly hair, and this is perfect for any length of hair, any thickness. If you thick or thin hair, it doesn't matter. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let's just get straight into the video. So like I say in most of my videos, I always like to leave a little bit of hair out at the front. I curled my hair just so that it was a little less step and the video could be a little bit shorter, so I just easily curled my hair before I did this. Then you want to take up like a third of your hair and tie it in a high ponytail just on one half of your hair, and you just want to tie it up in a high enough ponytail to create the space buns. So this is similar to yesterday's video in space buns, so if you haven't seen that, please go check it out. And yeah, so the same again, just take out a little bit of hair and then take up a little bit of hair from the back of your crown, from the back of your ear up to the crown of your head. You just want to pull it up, and of course you can just leave your hair in 2 ponytails with curls. I always find this is a cute hairstyle as well. But what I did was I just back combed my hair, just added a good bit of back combing, rolled the hair down my fingers, and then just twisted it around till I got the desired effect. So again, this is just one of them hairstyles you just need to play with until you get exactly what you want. And then I just stick in a few hairpins. Also, don't worry about the amount of hairpins you use. Use as many as you need for every hairstyle. As long as they're covered, no one will ever know how many's there, and your hair is super secure. So then that's one side done. As you can see, it looks super cute, and then you just do the exact same with the other side. You just add some back combing into the ponytail, twist it around your fingers, and then roll it around the top of your head till you get the desired effect. So this hairstyle is perfect for any day, any job. You can make it neater than I have it, and I think it's just super cute. You can make it professional, you can make it fun for the weekend, whatever you want. And yeah, so this is the end result, and it's super cute. I just stuck on some of these flamingo earrings. Last summer I was super into flamingo earrings, so I have loads of them, but I want to bring it back this year because I've missed wearing my earrings. Well, mainly because of isolation and stuff. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Check out my other videos. I'll link some below, and I'll have some coming up on the screen as well. And I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you try it. Tell me on Instagram, tag me in your photos. And yeah, see you in the next one. Thanks guys. Mwah.